Alright guys, here I am in Going Commando, and this is the start of my Raritanium guide. For those people who need to find more Raritanium for ship upgrades and just kinda need some help or whatever, yeah. So, alright. Alright, first place we'll go to is the Velton system. Right. Alright. As soon as I think it's out of the way, I'll go ahead and show you. Alright, these little crystals here is where you'll find Raritanium. There it is. So far on this account I have 23 pieces, and I plan to get more in this Raritanium guide. I will show you what ship upgrades you can get, like weapons, shields, other things. I hope I don't crash here. Not very good at going through these tunnels. Getting freaking pounded. Yeah, you can get a better shielding system if you collect enough Raritanium. So, and not all of them have Raritanium in it, so you have to kind of search around a little, and kind of give you some methods on searching without dying. But sometimes I might fail because nobody's perfect, so I can't get it every time. Alright. Oh crap. Just don't crash into them. Not the worst mistake you can make is to crash into them. So, more Raritanium. Get out of the way. They are very, very annoying. Sometimes the ships have Raritanium in it too. You just have to look. Okay, there's some more Raritanium. Mainly the bigger crystals have Raritanium in it. I mean, the smaller ones too, or have some too sometimes. But you just have to destroy all the crystals you see, and you know, hope you get lucky. Yes. Okay, 27 pieces. Alright. Get out of the way. Okay, so that ship right there had some Raritanium in it. I'm almost dead, so probably gonna die soon. More, okay. Once I get to 30, I hope I got to 30 before the end of this video, so at least before I die. And when you die, you don't reset. Like your Raritanium, you keep all of it. And when you go into challenge mode, you keep all of it. So If I can, at the end of this guide, I'll probably just go into my challenge mode account on this memory card and try to go in and show you how much I have on there and some of the upgrades I've gotten on challenge mode. Okay, that ship has Raritanium. Okay, that ship did. Alright. New wave. Probably gonna die here. So, yeah. Yeah, told ya, probably die. Alright. Sometimes you have to break the smaller pieces off that, like, you shoot the big crystals and, like, little pieces float around. Sometimes you have to break those up in order to get the Raritanium out. Just very, very rarely will you have to do that. I have a shield, so maybe I won't die in this video. Again, that is. Tried to avoid their fire mainly. Okay, it got 32. I only originally planned to get at least 30 in this video, so. Oh crap, 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 crap. Oh my god. I'm getting freaking pounded. It's not even on challenge mode. Alright, there's some Raritanium. 33 pieces. Haven't even used one frickin' missile either. Just nothing but my plasma cannons or guns or whatever. There's another piece. If you get close enough to them, they pretty much float right to you. Kind of like the bolts. Oh, 36. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. So, oh, hold on, wait, I'll try another piece. Alright, there we go. Another piece.